Well, there's only one way to find out up close what carnage our trebuchet does. Alright! Is it? Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and today I'm going to go bowling. But not your average kind of bowling, because I've got a trebuchet and it just happens to shoot bowling balls. So welcome to the medieval Trebuchet Bowling Alley with my brave men-at-arms. Now we have got a load of cameras on this today, so hopefully we'll really capture the carnage. But the thing is, what you do have to remember is trebuchets were really against fortifications. So you would, shoot single blocks, maybe even baskets of rocks, incendiaries, that sort of thing, but never open battlefield like this. That's not what they were about. And if you like the Running Night t-shirt, they're available in the merch bar below the video. And hopefully we're going to find a way that you'll be able to buy the printouts of these things as well. But anyway, that's for another day. Let's go bowling. So here we go. And here it's coming in. Oh! Wow! I don't know, what was that? That was a metre from the side, 1 metre. So this is where it landed. This is where it ended up after the roll. And we've even got mud splatters on our outlier here. But the bottom line is, it's not easy to move a trebuchet, so I'm going to move the targets just a little bit, because I do want to see something hit. Loose! Here it comes again. So close! Right, let's go have a look, because I think he splattered them with mud. So what I can say for sure is that our brave 10-pin soldiers are definitely getting nervous. Loose! Is it? Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Okay, so Graham the Fourth so nearly got taken out there. Is it? Oh! Hen's teeth, this trebuchet business is difficult. That's really frustrating, because again, the bowling ball landed to the right of our 9 pins. Now that means that the delivery point, the point that it's landing, is getting different. It's changing each time. And the only thing that could be changing, really, is the trebuchet. So I talked about in my last film, bit of jeopardy here, real life jeopardy, about will it break, will it survive? Well, if the point of impact is changing, that worries me. And loose! Oh, it's coming in, he's coming in, is he going to? Oh! Oh my goodness me! Oh my goodness me! So, just check this out. How lucky was everybody? So, our little camera here lived, our Wimmius lived, our men lived, which is not the plan, that is not what I want. So we're just gonna have to go again, but we're losing light and it's raining. So, but anyway, we have to. Here we go. Loose! Coming in again. Ah, short! This is so frustrating, it's untrue. So that is 5 misses on our 10-pin bowling alley. And we just didn't get a strike today, but we will be back, because I want to see those guys taken out. I really do. But what we have managed to do is get a lovely wide of the whole thing, so we can plot the trajectory. You can see that coming in. But the problem I've got is things are moving. The impact point is moving more than just a little bit of erraticness. There's something up, and I've got to get to the bottom of it. But anyway, not today. Another time we go bowling again.